So I got a stress fracture in my hip and it went undiagnosed for a few weeks. So by the time I actually made it here, I was in excruciating pain, couldn't walk. And then we met here thinking it was maybe like a labral tear. They did a little assessment, went got MRI, it was a stress fracture. And I didn't know, I was like, should I still come in? Is there still work we can do? And so literally from the day that I got on crutches, I was coming in here every week. Definitely had a better experience just from the moment I walked in. I feel like the assessment was better. It felt more thorough. I also just felt like having actionable things to do. Great, you know, other PTs will give you work to do, but I think had I gone to anyone else with a stress fracture, they'd be like, just chill, like it's fine. And they really gave me a sense of purpose and like a long-term picture of getting back to what I wanted to do. It felt like every day I was coming in, I had goals and they were just super great about like setting those and building a long-term plan. Andrew has been like not just a physical therapist, but almost like a personal trainer too, where I lifted before coming in here, but I never felt super comfortable in the gym. I'm like definitely an outdoor athlete. And he just made me feel really empowered to get back into these big compound lifts that I really didn't think I'd be able to do for, you know, another few weeks or even months. So now I'm back to doing like deadlifts, squatting. I've been mountain biking. That trajectory is crazy. Like I know people with this injury that had to wait 8 weeks before doing anything. And now I feel like at the 8-week mark, I'm like, oh, the only thing we're missing is like normal running, which is to be expected. The whole team has been amazing. I've had massage here. Alex did massage. It was fantastic. I just love the people here, which I think goes a long way, but I also trust them. And I think I've had a hard time. I've had a lot of coaches, a lot of PTs, and I don't always understand why we're doing what we're doing. And Andrew has made it very clear, like, this is the objective of this movement. I don't feel like I'm doing anything for no reason. And it just feels really good to know that everything is backed by science and actual experience. I think a lot of people feel like, oh, PT is not for me. I'm not an athlete or I don't have these specific goals. And that's not true. Like anything that hurts, they will help you.